Hello again. Time to do chapter 3 in Focus on Grammar 4. So we're just going to review the difference between simple past, present perfect, and present perfect progressive. So you've already worked with simple past quite a bit. Remember, you just say the subject, past tense, and then you tell when. So I walked to school yesterday. Now remember, the difference with present perfect is usually we don't know when. So here I have walked to school many times. So I've done it many times. When, I don't know, right? So remember, with present perfect, we're going to have either have or has, depending on your subject. And then this looks like the simple past. Remember, this is the past participle. Now here we can also use present perfect with for or since. So I have lived here for 10 years. Okay, now remember, for plus a length of time. I have lived here since 2010. So since plus a specific time. Okay, now remember, if you've done something 0 times, we say, I have never flown in a plane. Okay, so flown, past participle. Or if you've done something recently, we don't know exactly when, we just know within, the recent past. So I have flown to France recently. If I put that in the simple past, I would say, I flew to France last month. Okay. Now, we can also use it with already, yet, and still. So, I have already finished chapter 1, or I have not finished chapter 1 yet, or I still haven't finished chapter 1. So you see, yet and still are for negative, already's for affirmative. Now, present perfect progressive quite often shows that an action is still happening. Now, it's still happening here too. Like, I have lived here for 10 years. I'm still here, right? If I didn't live here anymore, I would say I lived here 10 years ago, or I lived here in 2010, or so on. Okay. But this one, remember, we will have or has been verbing. Okay. So here I could say, I have been teaching ESL for 12 years. Okay, so this tells me that this action is still happening. Okay, now if I ask a question, I would start with have or has. So here, have you read Talk Everlasting? Okay, now if you have read it, you would say, I've read Talk Everlasting. We don't know when, but we know that you have read the entire book. You're finished. This answer here, I have been reading Talk Everlasting, means you're not finished the book, right? So maybe you're only on chapter 4. Okay, so I have read Talk Everlasting. I've read the whole book. I have been reading Talk Everlasting means this is still continuing. You're still reading it. You're not finished. Okay, so make sure you take a look at the notes that go with this lesson. And good luck with chapter 3. I'm sure you'll do fine. Talk to you later. Bye.